Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be making my Warrior Cats OC Blizzard. So first she's gonna have some swirls. Hold on a second. Just let me get this tidy. Alright. So we'll find swirls. So the color should be fine. But for the body, it should be a slightly lighter gray. The paws are white. That. Alright. The pattern is just that simple for the body. But now we have to make the fur. Blizzard is really fluffy, so we're gonna add a lot of fur. Alright, I think we should color it now. It should be a darker gray, like the pattern. Perfect. We'll just add a bit of white to the muzzle. But still the belly fur is white. Now for the tail. tail should be really fluffy, same as the body. Alright. I wonder if there are tail patterns in the Robux section, but I'm a brokey, so now maybe face patterns. It should be a brindle face, and also a bit darker. Now her eyes, still blue, but one side should be darker than the other. And it's as simple as that. Blizzard. But let's go in and finish the bio. Blizzard is a she-cat who is mute and very calm. She gets kind of snappy, but mostly is nice. Blizzard is kind of small, and obviously you can tell by her name that she's not from a clan. She's a rogue. And this is Blizzard. Alright, see you.